Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Home Decor Collection. So how are you friends? I hope you are all fine. So guys, welcome back once again on my channel Home Decor Collection. So guys, my channel related to home decor ideas, furniture ideas and much more. So guys, if you are visiting first time on my channel, then make sure subscribe my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share very beautiful, very stylish and very trending modular kitchen designs ideas with you. So guys, please watch this video till the end to see many beautiful, stylish and trendy modular kitchen designs. So guys, if you are thinking of making a beautiful modular kitchen, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I have shared with you a very beautiful designs of modular kitchen guys. So guys, you just watch the video till the end. You will get to see very lovely modular kitchen designs, collection, images, photos, etc. I have shared trendy and latest kitchen designs with you, which you will definitely like this. This type of modular kitchen enhance the beauty of your home. So if you like these kitchen designs, then do give a like to the video. If you are new, then do subscribe to the channel so that you get to my video first when I upload. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video first. I am daily share a new video with you, daily share a new video for related to home designs, ideas, modular kitchens, TV cabinets and all over the home decors ideas, home decors collection with you guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question, then please guys, please comment me and please give me a heart, give me a one heart in a comment box. So guys, if you give me a heart in comment box, I will be so happy and I will so happy guys. So guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you subscribe my channel guys. So we will meet you in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye, take care guys.